There were two UDs registered in the two police stations yesterday. One was in Kunkulim and one was in Cape, as I have already told you earlier. So now today, both the postmortems have been conducted, and in the postmortem of the girl, the findings are homicidal in nature. So we will be registering a case of murder and we will start our investigations accordingly. The prima facie suspect, as we had mentioned yesterday, is the boy itself who had later committed suicide. So his postmortem is also underway and we'll be getting those details shortly. And the case of murder is being registered at Kunkulim police station.
So this homicidal, what are the nature of injuries you have?
As per the postmortem findings, this is called forceful drowning. By force, if somebody is drowned in a shallow water. So the injuries and the findings are corresponding to that we can call forceful drowning.
So the police have already reached to the conclusion that the boy is dead is suicide.
Because for that conclusion, I will not say that we are concluding that, but as far as the witness is concerned and the circumstances are concerned, so till now we have this facts and circumstances that because the boy was seen on the place where the girl was found, and he has been seen also by his mother, her mother, and other witnesses. They knew him. So immediately he ran away from the spot, and then when we went there in his search at his home, he was not found there. Later on, his body was found nearby his residence. So till now, our findings point to that theory only. But still, we will be examining more witnesses and we'll be examining more facts. Only after that we can conclude.
So what could be the possible motive behind this?
As I said earlier, the boy and the girl, they knew each other for more than 2 years. So we are probing all angles and what led to this crime, and we are examining all their relatives and their common friends. So once we examine all of them, only then we will be able to conclude the actual motive, what was the motive. But we are looking in these leads only.
What is the age of both of them?
The girl's age is 18 years and the boy's age is around 23 years.